Hey guys, I'm back, and you'll never guess what's on the stand here tonight. Yeah, it's another small block Mopar. This one here's a rebuilt 360. It's quite a bit similar to a couple of the other builds that I've done. It's got the KB 107 pistons in it, 30 over, fully balanced. It's got 596 heads, upgraded to 202 intakes, Pro Comp intake. This one here, again, I use the Summit 1798 cam. I've had really good luck with them, as I said in a few of my other videos, so I might as well keep using them. They work good and last. As far as the specs on it, there's a cam card. It's not real radical, and it does a good job. Again, if you want to know more about it, you can shoot me a message or whatever. And this one here is for Arnie. It's going in his 39 Dodge, I think it's a Dodge Coupe. It should work pretty good on that. But let's start her up here anyways. The stamped rocker here in it. Mufflers are Summit mufflers, work pretty good. Headman headers. Idling there at 8, almost 900. Could go down another couple hundred to give it a bit more of a choppy cam sound, but and there's Arnie's rebuilt 360.